It's a fantastic day here at 2551 Northwest Brickyard Street, which is tucked right into Shevlin Ridge on the west side of Bend. Let's go inside and have a look. As you first enter this nearly 3,500 square foot home, you're immediately stunned by the ambiance of it. It has high ceilings, a formal dining, a fantastic open room with good eastern sunlight, as well as this beautiful fireplace and hearth surround and Brazilian cherry hardwood floors. Here in the kitchen, it's an entertainer's dream space with this massive island that has plenty of prep room as well as seating for 4, and this stamped copper sink which has tons of character. There's also double ovens, a little eat-in nook, and plenty of natural light. I'm here in the primary suite, which sits just outside the lovely water feature, and in here you'll find a clawfoot tub, double vanity, shower, walk-in closet, and plenty of natural light as well. This home also offers a family bonus room with a fireplace and access to the back patio, as well as a full ensuite on the ground floor, 2 additional bedrooms, and a Jack and Jill bath. There's plenty of room for everyone. The outdoor living space really completes this home with a front wraparound deck, as well as a charming backyard with mature pine trees, and access to a walking path which takes you all the way to Shevlin Park and beyond. This is a fantastic home, and it's one you have to see to appreciate. We invite you to come have a look for yourself.